Why did Will leave?
I want to play Junkenstein.
Okay. Little bitch. She bubbled him. And now has like full charge because of me. Ew, you suck my asshole.
No.
May. I'm unironically trying to get good at May.
What happened?
That everybody's already automatically good as her. You take no skill.
No!
What are you talking about?
Other Mays always beat me. I can never do to anyone else what May does to me every time.
It's because you're white.
Never.
Oh my god, can you stop bringing that up?
I can't help it.
I can't help it, you're just so white. Says the whitest person I know.
Hey.
Like
Stop being
you
racist.
also cut this out. You also you also wear black in public so it looks even whiter.
Not cutting it out.
No, it's staying. It's our channel, man. We have to start content somewhere.
I already forget the password.
I don't.
It's can we have that in the video?
Yeah, actually, yeah, cut that out. Delete that footage, please.
Cut that out.
Ooh, cut that out. Oh, cut the bot leaving. We don't want people to know that. Cut that out.
Cut the slave leaving.
I wish I was better at typing that. Mother! Get my celebratory stealing from Game Grumps. Sorry, I got a little angry on that one.
Ah! Ooh!
I got a little upset about that one.
Cut that out.
Cut that out. We can't let him know he's going to Macca's. Cut it out. Okay, there's only two things that unironically need to get cut. Me saying the password to our channel, and me talking about the other thing. Yeah, alright, look. Play the Windows 2000 startup theme whenever you say that.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh.
God, I would not want to be from Dubbo. You were born in Dubbo, weren't you, Nathan?
Yeah, so, you know.
Oh, sweet. I guess that explains everything. Keep all of that in.
That absolutely.